Hello everyone, welcome to a friendly point of view of innovative technologies. Today we present a new handle DN Safe with a patented design. The external handle remains the same as the previous version because it's highly appreciated by our customers. However, it's completely customizable according to customers' preferences. Let's start with the first option of this product. The handle can be equipped with a spring that triggers its rotation. As you can see, this will make the handle's closure easier. It can be with or without the spring. Another option is the handle with the key. The handle can be supplied with the key for the added security. As you can see, the handle can be mounted independently or connected with leverage. The closure is adjustable thanks to two screws placed on the latch. Additionally, there is a lever that allows you to lock the door in the open position for the safety of the operators. A feature specifically designed for doors installed on machines with positive pressure. Now let's move on to the interesting feature where the patent makes a real difference. The handle is equipped with a mechanism that allows it to be opened from the inside under any condition. Let's take a look at how it works. By unscrewing this knob and guiding it into its dedicated slot, the handle will open even if locked from the outside with the key. As you can see, the knob directly acts on the latch, making it retract. This patent, therefore, ensures the safety of operators who may accidentally be locked inside the unit. Once the latch is repositioned, the handle will return to its original functionality. The internal part is delivered with all mechanisms pre-assembled and ready for installation. Various finishes are available with or without an internal handle to suit all needs. I hope you like this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. I wish you a wonderful day and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. ProLam, the system for your great ideas.